As a child, I believed. A house protected itself once night had fallen. The table left in disarray quietly gathered itself again. The soup gone cold grew warm once more. A missing button found its place on its own. A fevered forehead cooled by morning, all by itself. What does a child know, mother, of that unseen place in the night, where a home is carried into dawn by the fragments of sleep? A woman gives away. I understood that late. I saw the bite placed before me, but not the silence that had prepared it. I woke up covered, never knowing how many times I had been checked on in the dark. When something hurt, I thought it would soon pass, but I did not hear the heart that ached before mine did. Perhaps this too is childhood. It takes the labor spent on it for the natural order of life. Then, one day, you understand. Every human story begins in a mother's silence. Then I grew up. I saw that not every face resembles home, that not every voice can soothe the soul. Not every waiting is born of love. Not every weariness is born for someone else. That was when I turned back and looked at you again. It was not the years that raised me, but the life you lessened from yourself each day for my sake. You did not give me life alone, mother, sharing the last bite, carrying pain without making it loud, speaking without breaking what you touch, remaining human even when no one is watching. These are what I learned from you. Whatever goodness has remained in me, whatever tenderness, whatever shame, whatever mercy, has its root in you. And when I look at other mothers now, I see you again. In the eyes waiting at the school gate, in the shoulders holding out beneath hospital light until dawn, in the hands that carry a whole home more than the bags from the market, in the women who leave the sorrow on their faces to the steam of tea and show their children only their smile. It seems a person learns the worth of a mother, not only in his own childhood, but also in the quiet exhaustion of other mothers. Today, I do not look at you with love alone. I also see how a life is slowly spent to build a future for a child. You did not only give me the day I was born, you also placed into the days that followed a heart that knows how to endure. That is why your name in me is not only mother. In bread, you are labor. In a home, you are warmth. In a voice, you are tenderness. You are that first light, which, even as the darkness deepens, does not let the human heart go entirely dark. I am grateful you are here, mother. Today, in the name of every good thing you have left in my life, I say to you, Happy Mother's Day.